today morning, not any other day. Today, our campus turned into a career compass. Hi, I'm Ravina, and I am taking you inside DPSI's exciting career platform. Over 20 universities from India and overseas are here to guide us. Our questions, our futures, our choices. And honestly, it's bigger than I imagined. You walk up thinking you know what you want. Then one conversation later, and boom! New course, new dream, new direction. Let's go! So what has your experience been so far? What's one course you heard about that made you go, wait, that's a career?
So my experience so far has been amazing. All the representatives have been extremely helpful. And it's honestly been really fun as well. One course that I heard about which really fascinated me was computer science along with business. I did not expect that.
That is new. Now let's hear from another one. Hi. So were you more excited or more confused for today? Definitely more confused. Because you look around and you see so many options and you're like, where will I go? Where will I get into, So that makes sense. What was one university that you were really looking forward to talking to?
Definitely BETS Pilani, Dubai campus. So obviously it's a little ambitious, but let's see where we go.
Well, ambitions do root dreams. Now, let's switch to the other side. What do universities think about DPSI students?
Students are very curious. Students are very well aware of what they want to do.
They are very smart and they are very knowledgeable students.
They're very willing to, come and ask you different questions about, do you offer engineering courses? Do you offer science courses? And really enjoyed engaging with the students and also making, them more aware.
We've seen the teachers. We've heard the reps. Now, let's talk to the people who've been guiding us ever since day one. Hi, what is one question that you were curious to ask the universities?
What are the best options that my child has?
Okay, and what is something that you hope your child takes away from the fair held today?
Understanding the overall ecosystem of the education, not just knowing where she wants to get to, but I think she should also, this is a great opportunity for her to know what else is happening across the world as far as the academic things are concerned.
That's great. And finally, what is one advice that you would give your child after visiting the fair today?
Well, the learning is a huge big opportunity for her. I think actually this is an opportunity for her to know what's being taught across the world. I think the school is doing a great job of actually bringing such great organizations around here. I think it's not just about actually that learning where she wants to go to, but I think she should also understand what else is being taught across the world.
That's great.
Our students are well prepared in their early years, and class 10 is the right time to start thinking about colleges, to start giving direction to the dreams that they've had, and Career Vistas is just the beginning for that. So the work is not over yet. We've just started. Our class 12 students are already starting to work on their college lists, and as we are at the end of Career Vistas, for us at the Counseling Cell, this is just the beginning. We are here to help you. We are here to assist you. We want to make sure that we can contribute in you making the right decision for your college.
We came in unsure, but we're leaving with options, clarity, and maybe a little more courage. This was Career Vistas 2025. And for a lot of us, this will be the day where a lot started.